Hello again at Gizmo. Let's go with a new video of 100 general questions. I challenge you, let's go. Which country is known as the land of eternal ice? The Antarctica. Who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? Harper Lee. What is the coldest desert in the world? Gobi. What gas makes up most of Neptune? Methane. Where is the Great Geyser located? Iceland. Which planet has the shortest day in the solar system? The Mercury. Which scientist discovered cathode rays? J.J. Thomson. In what year did the 30 Years' War begin? In the year 1618. Which civilization built the Karnak Temple? Egyptian. What is the smallest mammal in the world? Etruscan shrew. What chemical element has the symbol K? Potassium. Which civilization invented the telescope? Europe. Which country has Swedish as its official language? Sweden. Which organ regulates body temperature? Hypothalamus. Which city is known as the City of Art? Florence. What theory explains the formation of galaxies? Big Bang. Which country won the FIFA World Cup in 2010? Spain. What instrument did Liszt play? Piano. Which river runs through Vienna? Danube. What war lasted 10 years and ended in 1975? Vietnam War. Which country is the largest producer of apples? In China. What type of energy uses wind to move turbines? Wind energy. Which island is famous for its volcanic eruption in 1902? Martinique. Which continent has the largest lake in the world? Asia. Which philosopher wrote The Social Contract? Jean-Jacques Rousseau. What is the most malleable metal? The gold. Which country has the currency called yuan? China. Which disease is caused by a lack of vitamin D? Rickets. Which empire built the Elgin Colosseum? Roman Empire. What is the highest mountain in Oceania? Puncak Jaya? Which country is known as the land of eternal fire? Azerbaijan. Who wrote The Old Man and the Sea? Ernest Hemingway. What is the saltiest lake in the world? Dead Sea. What gas makes up most of Uranus? Methane. Where is the Valley of the Kings located? Egypt. Which planet has the most rings? Saturn. Which scientist discovered alpha and beta rays? Ernest Rutherford. In what year did the French Revolution begin? In 1789. Which civilization built the Temple of Zeus? In Greek. What is the largest flightless bird in the world? Ostrich. What chemical element has the symbol Fe? Iron. Which civilization invented the lunar solar calendar? Maya. Which country has Norwegian as its official language? Norway. Which organ produces bile? Liver. Which city is known as the City of Cinema? Los Angeles. What theory explains the formation of black holes? The gravitational collapse. Which country won the UEFA European Championship in 2008? Spain. What instrument did Beethoven play? Piano. Which river runs through Budapest? Danube. What war lasted 12 years and ended in 1962? Algerian War. Which country is known as the land of eternal sun? In Peru. Who wrote The Divine Comedy? Dante Alighieri. What is the longest river in Europe? Volga. What gas makes up most of Titan? Methane. Where is the Grand Canyon located? In Arizona. Which planet has the slowest day in the solar system? In Venus. Which scientist discovered electrons? J.J. Thomson. In what year did the American War of Independence begin? In 1775. Which civilization built the Borobudur Temple? Buddhist. What is the fastest flying fish in the world? Tuna. What chemical element has the symbol Na? Sodium. Which civilization invented the parachute? China. Which country has Finnish as its official language? Finland. Which organ regulates sleep? Hypothalamus. Which city is known as the City of Lights? Paris. What theory explains the expansion of the universe? Big Bang. Which country won the Cricket World Cup in 2019? England. What instrument did Tchaikovsky play? Piano. Which river runs through Warsaw? Vistula. What war lasted 7 years and ended in 1763? 7 Years' War. Which country is the largest producer of wheat? In Russia. What type of energy uses water to move turbines? The hydroelectric energy. Which island is famous for its volcanic eruption in 1815? Krakatoa. Which continent has the coldest desert? In Antarctica. Which philosopher wrote The Allegory of the Cave? Plato. What is the most refractory metal? Tungsten. Which country has the currency called Argentine peso? Argentina. Which disease is caused by a lack of vitamin K? Hemorrhages. Which empire built the Taj Mahal? Mughal Empire. What is the highest mountain in South America? Aconcagua. Which country is known as the Land of Lakes? Nicaragua. Who wrote Ulysses? James Joyce. What is the largest lake in North America? Lake Superior? What gas makes up most of Enceladus? Water vapor. Where is the Valley of the Glaciers located? Argentina. Which planet has the highest number of known moons? Jupiter. Which scientist discovered neutrons? James Chadwick. In what year did World War I begin? In 1914. Which civilization built the Temple of Artemis? Greek. What is the longest migratory bird in the world? Common swallow. What chemical element has the symbol Au? The gold. Which civilization invented toilet paper? China. Which country has Icelandic as its official language? Iceland. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. Which city is known as the City of Pyramids? Cairo. What theory explains the formation of spiral galaxies? Stellar rotation. Which country won the UEFA European Championship in 2016? Portugal. What instrument did Mozart play? Piano. Which river runs through Moscow? Moskva. What war lasted 14 years and ended in 1975? Vietnam War. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these questions, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye.